Good morning, students. Welcome to today's session of Social Sciences. In previous classes, we have studied about lithosphere, atmosphere, and hydrosphere. In today's class, I am going to explain biosphere. The biosphere is the zone where the atmosphere, lithosphere, and hydrosphere interact. Meaning of interact is do things which have an effect on each other. Means a zone where atmosphere, lithosphere, and hydrosphere, all three spheres are interacting each other. That zone is called biosphere. These three spheres extend to several thousand kilometers in the atmosphere up to the bottom of oceanic trench. Meaning of extent is that is covering area. All these three spheres that is covering from that 1000 kilometers from that atmosphere, and after that it is covering lithosphere, and down it is going to till bottom of oceanic trench, that is coming under hydrosphere. However, the domain of life extends only a few kilometers in a vertical direction in the atmosphere as well as deep into the earth. Means it is covering 1000 kilometers. Beside this, that life is existing only few kilometers, and that is also in vertical direction. Meaning of vertical is going straight up or down. Means it is taking from that, coming from atmosphere, then reaching lithosphere, after that hydrosphere. That in a vertical direction we are having that life. This zone of interaction, which contains all terrestrial life forms, is known as biosphere. Terrestrial means that is related to earth. Now all these zones which are interacting each other, that is called biosphere. Now here, with an example of diagram, we can understand nicely. See, first we are having lithosphere here. It is interacting with atmosphere and hydrosphere. Second, we are having atmosphere which is interacting with lithosphere and hydrosphere. Third, we are having hydrosphere which is interacting with lithosphere and atmosphere. Means when all these three are interacting each other, that particular zone where all these three are interacting is called biosphere. Understood? Now, the biosphere has a distinct identity of its own. Distinct means recognizably different. That is, they are totally different. We can easily identify them. For all practice purposes, it is considered the fourth domain of the earth. Now, practical means use of something rather than theory. Means anything that we want to see by doing. First we want to do and want to see what it will happen. So all these practical purposes, it is considered as the fourth domain of the earth, that is biosphere. Its special feature is that it involves all the components of the atmosphere to function as a balanced system. Now, main function or the special feature of this biosphere is that it is containing all components of the atmosphere. Rather, it is related to that natural that air, water, land will come, or living thing, like that. So it is having all components and which is function in a very balanced system.